everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today we are going to be reviewing the brand new Becca Volcano Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. That is right, you guys. I did literally just get this in the mail like about 20 minutes ago. So I put it on my face and I want to go ahead and review this for you super quickly because I'm so excited. I got this palette directly off of the Becca website. It was $46 and it came to me in about 4 days. So it wasn't too bad. But yeah, I'm really excited. I have never used a Becca eyeshadow before. I've used one of their highlights. I've used Champagne Pop. Why did I say it like that? Champagne Pop. But I've never used one of their eyeshadows before. So this is going to be a brand new experience for me. So I am very excited. The packaging on this is really pretty. That's what actually made me like really get interested in it. Look at that, how pretty that is. It looks like the inside of a rock. I saw this palette off of the Becca Instagram and I was just like, ooh, that's pretty. So I waited for it and ordered it as soon as it came out. But I just took it out of the packaging, and here the packaging basically looks the exact same as it does from the box. It has the shade names on the back right here, and on the front it has that really pretty Volcano Goddess design on it. That's the word that I was trying to say. Now I will say the packaging, it doesn't feel like super cheap or anything, but it does feel like a more lightweight plastic, so it's not too heavy, which can be a good thing. But for $46, that's not very inexpensive. Like, it is a bit of a pretty pity, $46, but the packaging, it could be better. I think the front of it's really pretty, but the actual like heaviness, the quality of it could have been a little bit better in my opinion. But the shadows in general, there are 12 shadows, which I think is great, and the back of the box does say 12 creamy eyeshadows and 3 different finishes: ultra matte, shimmer, and molten metallic. So I am very excited to open it up. Looking at it, I have already opened it. Full disclosure, I took the little plastic slip out of it, but I haven't swatched anything at all. So, but yeah, looking at it, it's really pretty opening it up. And then starting from the bottom right, here are all of the shades in the palette. That blue shade is gorgeous, and I love that orange shade above the blue. But yeah, here are all the shades. I think they're very pretty. It has a pretty nice range in it. I will say one thing about this palette. This mirror is beautiful. It's giant. It's a full-size mirror. Like, it's like the full thing is a mirror, the entire thing. But yeah, I'm really excited to go ahead and dig into this. Let me go ahead and do some swatches for you. So I've got you zoomed in for the swatches. So we're going to go from the top to bottom row. So first row here. And you may not be able to see these all too well just because only one of them is shimmery. But here is the back of my hand. Here is the first shade that is called Cloud. Right there. And I'll have to look at these myself because I can't really give a good representation through the viewfinder. Second one is called Volcanic Sand. Third one is called Granite. Oh, that one's pretty. I can see that one on the viewfinder. And then the first, I think this one is a Molten Metallic. That's what it looks like. And this one is called Gilded. Ooh, that's really pretty. And look how pigmented that is. That's crazy. That's gorgeous. I'm loving that. So on to the second row here. We have one that I'm not entirely sure. This may be like a Molten Metallic, but it looks a bit chunky. We'll have to just find out and see. But the first shade here is Diamond Dust. This is the one that looks a bit chunky, so I'm really confused about that one, but it looks pretty on the hand. Second one is called Haze. Ooh, and that one's really pretty as well. I like that one a lot. Third is called Red Rock, and I'm obsessed with these really pretty cranberry red shades. Oh, heck yeah. That's gorgeous. And then lastly is the one called Lava. Oh, that's really pretty too. I really like these. These look really good. I'm obsessed with that Red Rock shade. I love shades like that. And then on to the very last row here, and I want to say something that I forgot to mention earlier. I did not put any eye primer down on my hand. I have already primed my eyelids, but I did not put any on my hand. So these are dry swatches, and I do think they're performing relatively well for dry swatches, so good on Becca for that. Here is the last row that we're going to be swatching, and the first one is called Agnate Ash. Please forgive me if I'm saying that wrong. Ooh, that one's really like metallic. That one's really pretty. Wow. That one's like almost gray. It looks gray in the viewfinder. Second is called Crater. I like these. I'm really liking these, and I'm really excited about this one that is called Hematite. I can't even speak. I'm so excited about this one. Oh yeah. Oh, that one. I love grays for some reason. I don't know why. That one is really making me happy right now. And then the last one is that Midnight Sapphire shade, that really vibrant blue. Oh wow. That's really cool. It almost looks black on camera. Maybe not. Nope, maybe not. But that looks really pretty. It actually looks a bit more purple when I'm looking at it directly. These are gorgeous. These are swatching beautifully. And then looking at it just directly, like myself, not through a viewfinder, it even looks better. Like that hematite shade is blowing my mind. It's that time that we go ahead and get into the eye look, so I am very, very excited. Like I said before, I have already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in, and I know that I'm not using this actual mirror. I just don't want, I mean, it's a big palette, it's a big mirror, so if I do this, it's gonna block the entire camera. So I have my handy dandy Jeffree Star mirror, so I just have this one just like sitting on my bed. So we go ahead and we are going to get started with a Morphe M518 brush. I use this pretty much every single video because it's a good brush. I like it. And we're going to go into the shade Volcanic Sand. Very powdery. Did you see that? Can you see that? Very powdery. It does have a lot of kick up in it, but as long as it blends out, I'm not mad at it. So we'll just get started. And we are just going to plop that here. Plop! We're going to put it right in the crease. And I think that is good as a base there. I'm just going to give it a little wash all over the eye. And then I'm going to go into the shade Granite. Again, very powdery. And we are going to go in and just deepen up that crease. I do think this granite color is blending super nicely, so that is good so far. I think that's looking really good. And then what I want to do is I want to take a little bit of that Red Rock shade, but I want to put that on the outer corner if I can, if it'll let me. It may not let me because it's a shimmer, so. I actually decided to move over to a brush and then just kind of lightly pack this on the outer corner. So next, what I think I want to leave it like that because I only wanted the red on the outer portion of the eye. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this beautiful lava shade right here, and I'm going to put that on the lid. I don't know if I need a glitter glue for this. It doesn't specify use a glitter glue, so I'm going to hope that I don't need one. I may need one because this looks like glitter. Yeah, I 100% need a glitter glue with this, so I have one right here by Too Faced, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of this to my eyelid. Yeah, okay, so that worked just fine. All I needed was a little glitter glue. And this is really pretty. I am liking it a lot. I'm going to go back in with a brush here in just a second, just to make sure that I'm getting it everywhere that I want it. And that is pretty much it, you guys. So that actually went on super well after the glitter glue was applied. And what I went ahead and did again is I went back over after I laid down the lava color. I went back over with the Red Rock color, and I used this brush. It's like a really small packing brush, and I used that and I put it right on the outer corner here, and then I also took it, blended it into the crease a little bit just to, like, I don't know, make it look cool. So I'm really liking this so far. I think it looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, do my liner, lashes, all that good, and then I will come back and we'll go ahead and do the lips. And I'm back, guys. I went ahead and did the other eye off camera, did my liner, lashes, all that good stuff, as you can tell. And then I want to go ahead and do my lips on camera for you. For today, I think that you can kind of just do any lip with this that you wanted to. You could do a nude lip, you could do a red lip if you wanted to do that. You can do an orange lip and be like super fire. Today, I'm going to do the Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick in the shade Kristen. So we're going to go ahead and apply that, and it's going to take me a long time. And there we go. That is the final look. Got my lips on. So let's go ahead and I will scoot you guys in so you can get a full once over of the look. So starting with the lips here is the Kylie liquid lip. I love this lipstick, but this is the first one that I have ever bought and I really like it a lot. And then moving down to the eyes, I really love this look here. Now I will say the lava color is a little hard to work with, so you will have to really pack it on and use the glitter glue. I did notice that when I was doing, let's see, I don't know what it is. Do you guys have this issue? I have one eye that I can do really, really well and the other eye I struggle with. So this eye, my right eye, I can do it and I can do it simple and easy and it's not an issue. But this left eye, I have to really work with it. So I don't know if it's just my left eye that I have an issue with or what, because I didn't really have that hard of a time getting the glitter on my right eye, but it was hard on my left eye. I don't know, that may just be my weird anatomy. So you guys, that is going to be my review today. All in all, I mean, I only tried like 3 or 4 shades out of the palette today, but I will 100% use this again. I really like it so far. This is my first experience with Becca eyeshadows and I have to say that I am very impressed. I've liked Becca's highlighters before, but my first time using an eyeshadow, so I will 100% use this. It has a lot of shades that I will use and it does have that big bold pop of color with the blue shade, so I am really, really impressed with it. I keep saying the same things all over again, but I mean it. So yeah, awesome. But you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. If you liked it, then please go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bells down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.